okay, where the Electoral College, do they have it on this? Maybe not. Okay, I'll show you in a second. Each state has a different number of electoral votes, they say. Okay, so each state gets 2 votes for 2 senators who are in Congress. And then however many other people they have in Congress, you need to know a little bit about the American political system. They have a vote for their state, okay? And then what happens? Most states have what we call a winner-take-all policy, okay? If 51% vote for Donald Trump and 49% for Hillary, all the votes go for Donald Trump. So it's not actually equal, yeah. It's winner, yeah, it's really, really controversial. Look at his face, he's like, It's really controversial, yeah. It's a winner-take-all. So yeah, it could only be 2%, but all the votes go to the other side. And what they do is count those electoral votes. So there's a magic number, you need half of them. So there's, I think, 535 total votes, and you need 270 to become president. So when you watch the real elections on November 8th, they will talk about the popular vote, but they'll keep, you'll see these numbers like 200, 220, 230, and they'll keep adding until you get to the number needed to be president. So that's how you actually become president, right? And so actually, they actually do this 6 weeks after election. They actually do this, you know who it is, but 6 weeks after election. Okay, so November 8th is when we vote, right? But people don't really know. It's on December 19th that all these representatives cast their vote for president. So we don't actually know until January 6th is the official. We know, but the official announcement of the president is not made until January. Yeah, it's kind of bizarre. So then we've elected the president, right? And then inauguration, which is the big ceremony, right, where they go to the White House, they take the oath, yeah, and then they celebrate. Woo! At the White House. Okay, so now I'm going to show you, I can show you a little picture. So it's very, very confusing. It is good to know about this, but it is very confusing.